magic unicorn.
Hello little unicorns, it's Chilipili. Today we are going to draw a prince. Are you guys ready to draw with me? Let's start with the prince crown. Every prince needs a sparkly crown, right? Our prince crown has diamonds. Now let's draw our prince hair. I love drawing, it's so fun to draw. Try to draw with me. Now let's draw our prince face. Let's add our charming prince, his ear, cute eyes and a big smile. Our princess is super friendly and super cute. Look at our prince hair color. What do you think our prince hair color is? Now let's draw our prince arm, leg along with his royal dress. What do you think his royal dress color should be? Our prince likes his hair. Wow, did you see that? Our prince is wearing a red cape. Fantastic! Our prince looks super awesome. Don't forget to add his diamonds on the crown. Let's color it. There are many types of prince. Most known are the cartoon characters. So let your imagination out and color him very colorful. I'm coloring our prince crown with yellow color and diamonds with green color. Our prince crown has green diamonds. I'm coloring our prince hair with brown color. Where do you think our prince live in? Maybe at a big sparkly castle. You are doing great. Don't worry if your prince is not looking exactly like mine, because all princes are unique, just like you are. Just have fun drawing and coloring. What do you think our prince name is? I think it's Prince Leo. Prince Leo his best friend to a playful dragon named Sparky, soared above his kingdom on his magical red cape. Prince Leo loves strawberry bread. Yummy strawberry bread. I'm coloring our prince's magical cape with red color. Let's color our prince's royal dress with violet and blue color. Prince Leo's important job is to cheer up everyone. Every day he waves at happy villagers and delivering warm hugs and love to everyone in the kingdom. Our prince is charming. What an amazing drawing we did. Good job everyone.
Amazing!
I love drawing and coloring the prince with you guys. Hope you guys loved it. Please subscribe to my channel.